Tell me if you see.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
Can't concentrate no more. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. I don't know the carrier going on. Oh, I turn, man. Alright, so what's up, YouTube? You don't know your boy Rondagreat back here with another video. And today, guys, we're gonna do a little public interview. I know a long time no see me, but yo, school have me away, you see me. But me not forget to know nothing. So, I want to like the video. Yeah, as I say, like it, subscribe. What me did say? Me did tell you what we're gonna do for a public interview? No. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is we are asking people them in the community or in the street. You can't talk. You can't talk.
Masicka.
Yeah, we are gonna ask them which one them rate, Masicka or Skeng, you see me? So watch the ads, you see me? Hope we can get the video viral, yeah. My brother record for me. Big up to my brother. I don't know if you want to put a look at IG or something. Alright, so we know not too much long talking. Yeah, we are getting a video. It's that? So alright, me there with
Cameron.
Alright, so there with the boy Rondagreat, you see me? So today me gonna ask you between Skeng and Masicka, which one you rate? Which one you think are a better one?
Well, Skeng just start still. I'm sang them bad, but as a long time for a Masicka, I say Masicka, you see it.
Masicka did it for a long time, you see it, him drop a whole heap of, although Skeng drop hits to that, but you know Masicka they in the game for a long time, so
yeah,
respect
still
now.
tough, you know.
What you say now?
But Skeng still tough, you know, but I still have to go with Masicka, dog.
Understand your opinion. Alright. So, I'm Rondagreat, I'm here with Dera. So, I do a look public interview and I wonder which one you prefer, Skeng or Masicka?
Different thing that Masicka may have got it from Masicka, Cartel, Tamili, and them on the Z's. Otherwise, from him coming still, I not going to listen to him song. He have song like Guru or the Z. But I don't know, I don't really love change my thing. You get me?
Masicka did this one.
Yeah, so
Skeng do something.
you see, but I don't know, I still give me ratings because he still come out, put out in work and him with it, you see me? So every young artist will come out. I love to know say yo, him put out in work, you see me? But I don't know, I just me I point of view that, you see.
So you can, yeah, just so we get the books them. How much money you said, bro? Breton. So you can, what type of books them now? Grade 6 book prep?
Basic, primary, and high.
So you can get the books them, so yeah, prep school books them, basic book them, yeah. So alright, today I'm gonna ask you which one you can Skeng or Masicka?
Most of them say Masicka, interesting.
Why you say Masicka?
Because it's full of lyrics, Skeng have lyrics like Masicka.
True, yeah, Masicka they in a game for a long time and drop a whole heap of hits. Skeng, one boy Skeng, man, you must listen to some of Skeng song. I hear say that.
The one which one and two and song then is can go on, but in a Masicka.
So you follow and thing, you see me? Daniel give me some buck up something that we just chip out and make we lose at least 5 people, you see me? So basically this is for you, Daniel. I know it's gonna hurt you, but I'm gonna fuck it up today, you see me? So far. Yeah.
Well, wait till I can't come and ride over.
Record when you can. Alright, so I'm Rondagreat, I'm here with
Javante McLean. Javante.
Alright, so today may I ask you between Skeng and Masicka, which one you think are better?
I know Masicka me last time because Masicka in an industry long time. Skeng just a come in, so that's a Masicka.
Oh, and that's
Go on doing thing, man. Skeng can't go on with boss.
Skeng drop some good music to you, I'm not lie about it, you see me?
Yeah, but Masicka, what the Masicka drop, Umbrella it go viral. The number one on YouTube, so.
I understand, bro. You have any Instagram or nothing you want to shout out?
Shout out Maki official.
Bro, respect. Here with
Milo.
Marlo. So today I ask you out of Masicka and Skeng, which one you prefer? Which one you think are your opinion?
Masicka.
Masicka. Why you say Masicka?
Because Masicka is a veteran to it, you see it, and he basically have more hits than Skeng.
Skeng.
If you compare the two of them, you can't really put Masicka and Skeng in the same category, because Masicka sing every type of song, you know, and really and truly I don't really hear nothing other than gunman tune from Skeng. So yeah, Masicka more versatile than him too.
Get to your ass. So you have any IG you want to shout out or none?
Oh man, that good man, bro.
Respect. Rondagreat, I'm here with Tevin. So today may I ask you between Skeng and Masicka, which one you prefer?
Masicka.
Why you say Masicka?
To me, Masicka just in a dance a long time, is me, and he more fluent, he more lyrical. Now say yo Skeng not acting but if anybody where they listen dance a long time can remember I Don't Have versus Masicka, can know say yo that was a hot clash, is me. So I mean Masicka, the man older, more fluent, more lyrical, more solid, you get me? So
you just switch up already and the man there a long time and Skeng just
exactly, you see me? So for me it would have to be Masicka because him there a long time in the business.
So you have any Instagram you want to shout out or nothing like that?
Darkins.4.
Rondagreat, I'm here with
Anthony Griffiths.
Alright, so today the question will be between Masicka and Skeng, which one you prefer? Your opinion.
Skeng still, that's it. Yeah.
Why you say Skeng?
Skeng just a better artist, you know, a man relatable and thing. You can relate to him song them and them thing there, is it?
Alright, so you have any IG you want to shout out?
No.
Tell me if you see.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.